Hi, and welcome to Roadies Roam the World, Scotland. In this episode, we visit Neist Point and the ferry pools before leaving the Isle of Skye.
Matin ba a alaba. That means good morning from Scotland in Scottish Gaelic. And Aaron Cooper, I did that just for you. Friends and family, it's a beautiful day in Scotland. I mean, just look at this view and how gorgeous it is. That's fantastic. I feel like I don't even need any words here. And the sun is bright. So yeah. So we are here. We're at the Lighthouse. We drove this morning from Portree. And so we're just gonna go walk to the lighthouse. You can't see it from where I'm standing, but it's kind of it's down that way. Kit got some beautiful pictures of some lambs on the way here, but he forgot to format his memory card after he downloaded all of his pictures from the previous 4 days, and so he's in the car downloading the pictures that he took of the lambs and then formatting his memory card so that he doesn't lose those pictures. But we were definitely in the country here. We had many sheep in the road on the way here this morning, and the sheep, all the lambs are just fabulous to see. All right, we'll go down to the lighthouse.
According to isleofskye.com, Neist Point is one of the most famous lighthouses in Scotland. Located on the westerly tip of Skye near the township of Glendale, the lighthouse was built in 1900 when it was manned. The lighthouse is now operated remotely from Edinburgh. The walk to the lighthouse is steep and follows a narrow path. As we began our descent, we noticed a cable that went from the top of the cliff all the way to the bottom. We later learned that the cable pulley system was used to get food, equipment, and supplies to the keeper. The light is 43 meters above sea level and can be seen up to 16 nautical miles offshore.
Friends and family, this is beautiful. I could stay out here all day. Just wanted to take a quick video of what's happening behind me. We came and we walked out onto this point here. You can see behind me, and we are getting some very spectacular views. So I hope you enjoy the video. I know I'm enjoying real life.
The views on Neist Point were breathtaking, and we would have stayed all day, but we had one more stop before leaving this gorgeous isle, the mythical fairy pools.
Hello, I don't know if you can hear me, but we are at the fairy pools, and it's very cool indeed. These are known to be like mythical pools, and you're supposed to be able to see like the brilliant like green and blues in the water. So this is just a little taste. We've got a little bit more of a climb to go where the waterfalls continue to go upwards. Up there. See all the people. Alright, we're going up.
As we made our way to Fort Williams to stop for the night, we were surprised by the gorgeous reflection in Loch Cluanie as we drove the length of it.
I'm driving down an empty freeway. To change, I'm seeing the sunrise behind me.